Hello everyone, welcome to AIA Financial Intelligence. We are a team fusing Wall Street experience with technology, dedicated to probabilistic calculations of future events, especially pivotal turning points in the financial markets. Our inspiration and beliefs. A U.S. president firmly stated, "The best definition of intelligence is the ability to predict the future. This is the core of decision-making for global leaders." Nobel laureates have experienced firsthand that prediction is hard, especially predicting the future, and yet they are already at the pinnacle of modeling. Investment masters admit the stock market has always been difficult to predict. What's truly challenging is overcoming hindsight bias. This is a lifelong practice for the Sage of Omaha. Uncertainty has long been a challenge for both artificial intelligence and decision makers, but it is our very focus. We at AIA speak the future. Universal algorithm. We further propose this core perspective. The essence of prediction comes from three dimensions: time, space, and people, the actors involved. We have transformed this mindset into our universal algorithm, specializing in applications for the financial markets. In particular, we focus on structural analysis of time and space, leadership traits, emotional fluctuations, and luck factors. Time cannot be explained by religion or physics. Emotions and luck cannot be measured by scientific instruments. Some of our results have already been posted on x.com/AIAIindex with timestamps and then validated across election and sports scenarios, demonstrating cross-domain feasibility. Although our system may not be perfect, it has proven that the algorithm truly exists. As long as right often enough, rho, is achieved, it can generate significant value. That unique value lies in the algorithm's difference, later proven correct, especially when both leaders and the majority err in judgment. Such value can no longer be measured solely by money. Below are 4 case studies illustrating the existence of our algorithms. Part 1, Game Theory Algorithm at Turning Points. First case, 2016 Brexit referendum. In 2016, the UK held its Brexit referendum. Global leaders, media outlets, and top Wall Street executives firmly believed that the UK could not leave the EU. Yet it turned out our judgment was correct, and we further predicted a steep decline in both the UK and New York stock markets. At that time, we were vacationing at a winery in Napa Valley, USA. Second case, 2024 Taiwan presidential election. In 2024, Taiwan's presidential election featured 4 candidate teams, and the entire game dynamic was chaotic. No one could predict the outcome. Back in 2023, we posted on x.com/AIAindex our forecast that only 3 candidate teams would actually be in contention. The winning candidate's vote share would be 40.3% plus new 3%, far surpassing mainstream polls. This prediction was covered by the media. Of course, when early voting or unexpected events involving leaders occur, the model becomes even more complex. Still, our algorithm may save major polling firms tens or even hundreds of millions in wasted costs. There are other interesting game theory calculations. For instance, at the 2021 Tokyo Olympics, we predicted Tai Tzu-Ying would lose the badminton gold medal match. At the 2024 European Football Championship, we predicted Spain would win the championship. Some of these forecasts have been posted on x.com/AIAIindex. Part 2, Sentiment-Based Algorithm at Turning Points. Below, our AIA Strength-Weakness Indicator shows sudden drops that surpass statistical limits, evidencing our contribution to financial computations. First case, late 2019 sentiment. In late 2019, our leading strength-weakness indicator chart signaled an ominous drop starting in February 2020. Yet in December 2019, Wall Street masters on television were extremely optimistic, forecasting that the Dow Jones Industrial Average would break 30,000 points, around 29,000 at that time. One of our mystic friends had predicted that the Dow would fall to around 20,500 points. It happens once in 100 years, an almost eerily accurate forecast. Second case, 2025 tariff shock. In 2025, we again posted on x.com/AIAindex that we would fully sell out by February 27th. Even the president did not anticipate that the tariffs would trigger the biggest market panic in 30 years. After selling out, we then bought back in on April 8th, which proved to be a wise decision. accurately predicting both the direction and magnitude of monthly price movements for 12 consecutive months has a probability of only 1 in a trillion. If one also incorporates global geopolitical shifts and black swan events beyond control, the complexity skyrockets. However, once realized, such forecasts can save Wall Street tens of billions in erroneous costs and even generate tens of billions in gains. Each of our judgments is processed through very intricate mathematical models. Missing any key future parameter could lead to error. Nobody can guarantee perfection every time, but as long as we are right often enough, we can indeed change the world. AIA Investment Navigation System. Algorithms are the DNA of global capital markets and the key to victory. For a century, markets have relied on 6 mainstream analysis frameworks: fundamental analysis, technical analysis, news-driven analysis, capital flow analysis, quantitative methods, and political forecasting. Each excels in its own domain, but all have reached their limits. Nobody has truly integrated them for a breakthrough. These traditional models cannot quantify leadership traits, emotional fluctuations, or luck factors, nor can they distinguish between institutional and individual investor needs. Therefore, we independently developed the AIA Investment Navigation System, a one-for-all intelligent framework spanning all primary and secondary markets. Whether it's venture capital, mergers and acquisitions, or asset management, it applies across the board. We offer 3 core navigation modules. Compatibility algorithm selects targets that match an individual's risk preference and objectives, becoming one of the most effective risk management tools. Future curve chart. For the selected targets, we quantify leadership traits to generate a leading indicator, and combined with a dynamic forecasting model, we offer a 12-month potential trend forecast for each target, serving as one of the best profit-driving bases. Allocation error management continuously corrects portfolio allocation errors, creating the most robust asset trajectory. Our internal report, The Lost Secrets of Wall Street, validates 130 years of classic cases showing how leadership decision-making styles have dominated market trends. AIA Investment Navigation stands not only for Alternative Investment Advisor, but as the century's investment benchmark. We have been invited by investment institutions for on-site demonstrations, especially showcasing how to exit losing positions, which has garnered tremendous attention and enthusiastic response wherever we go. Partners and vision. We fuse Wall Street experience, cutting-edge technology, and timeless wisdom. Our team members graduated from the University of Florida, Nyan Road University, MIT, National Taiwan University, and National Chiao Tung University all hold master's or doctoral degrees. The algorithm behind our system is rooted in the teachings of a legendary advisor, an author of 19 books who, over many years, has provided crucial decision-making guidance to political and business leaders, influencing national and industry development. Human civilization has advanced from pigeon posts to mobile apps. Embracing the reverence for tradition while embracing modernity, we inherit traditional wisdom and digitize it into scenario simulations of all future possibilities, something no single AI model or decision maker can fully control. Yet the greatest attempts surpass inaction. Facing a future full of uncertainty, algorithms help explore possibilities to aid decision makers, know the trends, make fewer mistakes, achieve more results. The more you learn, the more you earn. Be water, my friend. We also welcome anyone interested to join us and benefit directly. Finally, special gratitude and commemoration to the advisor who taught us, and thank you for watching and participating.